Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will try to explain you how we can use the on delay timer in Panasonic PLC. Which model I am using? FP0C10CRS. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our FPN FPWin Panasonic control software, and this version is 7.6.01. And as this window appears, you can open project also and create a new project also. I will create the new project for you because of better understanding how to choose your PLC. Just first of all, click it on the change PLC type, and here you can see the various models of the Panasonic. Which model you have, you can select first the model, and after that's family number you can choose. This is FP7, this is FP0H. I have a model FP0, and this is the first one, 2.7K C10. That's model available with me, and click it OK. And second step, you have to be give the name of your program. For example, this is name I gave the timer. And next you have to be choose the language, which language you like to make the program. In ladder language is a basic standard yani, and first language is a ladder diagram, and second language is structured text yani, which is any language you can design the program, and just click it on the create project. As this window will be appear, here you can create your diagram and your variables and anything. First of all, we will create our variables. So just go to the project, and here you can see this is the global variables, which double click it on this one, and this window will be appear, and here you can give the names of your variables and also give the addresses. And also one more thing, I can easy way to explain you. Just go to the help and contents when type, and after this window will appear, and just type in the search bar TON. When you just type TON, and after you click it enter, after you will be find it all details here. TON timer with switch on D, and also this is another timer instructions, function blocks, many of you can find, but we can see this timer instructions, and here you can see this all timer instructions, and here this is the timer with switch on delay. We have to using now on delay timer. Just click it on this one, and here you can find the details availability. But he says the function block TON allows you to program a switch on delay. This is the symbol and parameters. What he says, input in bool timer on, and internal timer is started for each rising edge detected at n pt time means switch on delay pt equal with present time means 16-bit value 0 to 327.27 seconds are available. 32-bit value is look like value is available. 32-bit value not available for FP3 FPC look like any. These models are not available. This 32-bit other models have available. So output is what? Q pool single output set to true if PT is equal to ET. ET means time, elapsed time. Indicates the current value of the elapsed time. The value can be changed during counting operation by writing to the variable from the program editor. So also there is a remarks, you can read it very carefully. This is the time chart also have available, and also this parent topic yani timer instructions also available, and here you can find the variables. These variables you have to be write for this timer. just only copy these variables and go back to the software, and here this is first one, you can make it paste, so that all variables you will be found in just one click. And next you have to be go here, this is ladder instruction yani structure, ladder body, just also this is you can easily buy single copy from here and go back and go to the timer program and just here paste this program and you will be found this timer. And just compile this all program, here you can go to the compile and compile what he says, one warning and 8 errors, have some errors and some problems, we will clear this one, nothing issue. Online, and go to the online mode and compile all, and after this program download, click it OK, and this all things will be cleared. You can see this is OK, zero error, zero warnings. So this is just we will make it in, already this is in remote run, and this we can start the program, but before start this program we have to be set the timer value. So you can double click it on the th0, here just you have to be find type the time, for example 5 seconds I type and click OK, and this time will be started. As I give the signal at start, double click it on the start and just click it on the true and click OK, and your timer will be started. As this time will be completed 5 seconds, your output will be on, and as you stop the execution, click OK, your timer will be stopped. So this way you can use this on delay timer in the Panasonic PLC FPN Pro 7. So hope guys you will understand about the timer, how we can choose the timer in Panasonic PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.